All these my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ I, now I gotta roll with ice. No rush, go on move dumb, pushing so on move dumb. Peace and love turn to peace and gloves, now you gotta do a run up. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People they're quick, now they wanna move at the bits. Boy wanna draw to bitch, nah, unless you heard it from me.
Saan nagpalit?
Dito, tsaka dito.
Pangalawa, hindi ko alam kung nangyari.
Tingnan mo yung pa rin kusang Pinoy. Nagpalit na ako dito eh.
Dito, hindi ka nagpalit dito.
Alright, let's start the first quarter. Bola on the first possession will go to the one trading. Pero may violation kagad si Macalinaw doon. Third gen.
1 minute bro. Wait lang bro.
Sa kanila pupunta tong bola na ito.
Okay na bro, okay na bro.
Gabliave kicks it out, turn it over. Ito na. There's a fake. What a move to open up the game para kay number 24, Evangelista. Bola will stay to the 30 gen. Liave with the ball. Liave to Sansaet. Binigayan. Sansaet pa rin. To Gamboa. Gamboa bumps. Gamboa for two. Yes, Mr. Quality. Brian Gamboa. Isa sa mga reinforcement ng 30 generation. Macalinaw setting up. Macalinaw binigay. Ganda ng pasa. Macalinaw pa rin. De Jesus Evangelista with a fake. Lacy Ra for two. Good scoring ball game ang pinapakita ng both teams na ito. 4-2. Dalawa kalamangan ng one trading. But there's a foul. Foul by number 34. De Jesus. Unang foul niya yun. Second team foul naman para sa one trading. First team foul rather for the one trading. Gamboa will try to take a three. Kicks it out to Sansaet. Sansaet steps on the line. Napituhan ng stepping on the line ni Refian. Shout out sa 21 viewers natin. This game is brought to you by Wetski Accessories. Ayan si Uncle Wet sa mga matindihang accessories sa mga sasakyan. Message nyo lang ang Facebook page, Wetski Accessories. So now there's Zeus to Glenn, to Uy, Patrick, binigay, Evangelista for three. No! But there's a foul by Hernandez. Foul by Hernandez. First personal foul. Second team foul yan para sa one trading. Liave with the ball. Cornered. Macalinaw with the steal. Pinauna na. Evangelista with a fake! Puta tayo nabot kay Brian Gamboa. Pinike pa ni Evangelista. Nonetheless, they will keep the possession here and will try to score in every single way. Paano kaya sila? Evangelista binigay. Glenn Macalinaw for three. Bang! Glenn Macalinaw, three! And that three-point shot is brought to you by Rigor. Sansaet, babawi, wala. Gonzaga with the board, but he was fouled. Down. 7-2 is the score. Ganda ng bigayan ng one trading dito. Ganda ng mga play. Almost. They made all of the plays. Siyempre, dahil yan sa communication ng bawat team ni Coach Jello Termines. Gonzaga with the ball. Loses the handle. Bola ang pupunta ngayon sa one trading. Makalinaw to De Jesus. De Jesus back to Makalinaw. Bigay kay De Jesus. Maramba taps it outside. Ball will stay to one trading.
Delay lang yan.
Oy, kicks it out. Makalinaw to De Jesus. Ganda ng pasa. Wala. Rebound. May konting tulak si Serra. Foul by number 5. Pushing foul. 5 minutes and 10 seconds natitira sa ating first quarter. Makalina will handle the set up the play for his team. Binigay kay Patrick. Uy, kicks it out De Jesus. De Jesus pa rin may tangan. He got 8 seconds to work with. De Jesus na naman, 5 seconds. Where they will go. Ganda ng pasahan. De Jesus for 2. Ganda ng ikot ng bola ng one trading. And that forced 30 June to take this time on. Will coming back in a few.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Years, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
And we're back live here. Dito lang tayo, Star International Academy sa ating live for the venue today. I'm inviting everyone na nandiyan dyan na walang ginagawa to visit us in our venue para makapanood ng live action between teams na talaga namang sumabak sa digmaan as Brian Gamboa push that letter into the ring for 2. 9-4. Si Brian Gamboa pala ang nakaka-score dito sa 30 gen. Patrick Uy will set up. Glenn Macalina with the leather. Top of the key. Swinging the ball to his team. Evangelista. Bigay sa ilalim. Balik kay Patrick Uy. Uy. Ganda na Constantino. 5 seconds to work with Patrick. Favorite shot. Wala. Tapikan. Des. Jesus stops it outside. (9-4) is the official score. Sena may tarang ng bola. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. Brian Gamboa again for 2.
Kaya focus na lang sa
Makalinaw. Jordan, kapapasok lang, wala. Bola nakuha ni De Jesus. Lace it up, wala. Basket pala yun. Taps it outside. Ito na, tumatakbo na naman ng one trading. Makalinaw finished it. 13-6, 7-point lead sa ating unang talaan. Brian Gamboa with the ball, kicks it out, send up for three, and he was fouled. He will try to take 3 free throws from the line to cut down the lead to within just 4.
Foul number 18, Constantino. Timeout, 1
We have a timeout from One Trading. We'll be back in a few.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
Request mo kay Joel yung electric.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigor.
Welcome back to the live. Medyo malag lang kasi dahil sa venue yan. As Sarah makes the first free throw, misses the second one, and on to the third. Last free throw for Sarah. Yes, 2 out of 3 from the line. Not bad. Para dito sa free throw ni Sarah. One Trading with 5-point lead. De Jesus, favorite jumper, board. Wala, rebound. Binigay on the top of the key for 2 para kay Evangelista.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Brian Gamboa will try it for the 3. Too long that time. Lace it up. Wala. Rebound by Gamboa. Sarah with the steal. Pero may foul tayo. 1 minute and 17 seconds.
Foul number 34, substitution. Penalty.
First free throw is good para kay Sarah. Second free throw to cut down the lead to 5. Can he make it? 2 for 2 from the line. Shooter's touch. Substitution muna tayo. Labas muna si Sarah. Pasok si RJ Salonga. One of pinakamagagaling na players ng Pampanga. RJ Salonga. Yes, he is one of them. 3 on its way. Wala. Rebound. Mapupunta kay Gamboa. 10 seconds to work. Gamboa kicks it out. RJ kapapasok lang with the fake. RJ, ganda ng pasa. Sa ilalim for 2. Pampanga connection. Pinatubo. And that's the end of the first quarter. 15-12 in favor of One Trading.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V.
We are back live. Sana okay na yung internet nyo. Really sorry sa mga nangyayari dahil yan sa venue, guys. So we hope you stay tuned in. Share nyo lang to. Sana okay na. Jeric Marquilla Francisco, Pa-check naman boss kung okay yung live natin. Pumasok na. Euro stop, wala. Rebound kanino? Kanila pa rin. 26. Binigay sa ilalim, wala pa rin. Rebound by Katanghal. Tapikan, kanino mapupunta? Kay Katanghal pa rin. Pot. Rebounded the ball. Binigayan kay number 6. RJ Salonga. RJ looking. RJ kicks it out. Basket is good. Brian Gamboa making things happen para dito sa 30 gen. Ang dami ng pinuntos itong si Brian Gamboa until from the start of the first quarter pa lang, siya na kagad ang bumubuhay dito sa 30 gen
Ay, huwag kang lilipat.
to make the first deadlock of the game. Yes, he had it. All 15, we are tied now. Wala naman ng one trading ngayon. Kicks it out. 3 on its way. Bang! Guthrie! 3! And a 3-point shot is brought to you by Soul Savvy. RJ Salonga to Jordan. Michael Carl, one of the reinforcements. Talaga namang pinapangatawanan niyang reinforcement siya dito sa 30 gen. Jordan with a teardrop. Guthrie binigay. Kanino iikot ang bola? Ganda ng ikot. Thought about the 3, number 4. Guthrie gets his screen. 3 on its way. Wala. Rebound by RJ. Salonga with the leather. Tumatakbo ngayon si Brian. Gamboa. Gamboa crossover. Man of the hour. Brian Gamboa for 2 and 1. Grabe naman Brian Gamboa, coast to coast, taking the matters into his hands. Brian Gamboa again would like to try para going even itong quarter na to, itong ball game na natin. Ay, hindi pala na count yun, sabi na ref. Okay, so bola babalik ngayon na 30. 3 on its way, wala. Rebound kanino? Yan, may foul na talaga. 2 free throws will be given away for Brian Gamboa. Shoutout muna tayo. Anika Moreno. Super lag po kasi dahil sa venue. Sorry. But we are going to try our best para mabigyan kayo ng quality na live. And Francis Faith Tejada Evangelist. Super duper lag po. Di na po maunad na maayos ang unang quarter. Okay lang yan, madam. Maraming salamat pa rin sa suporta. Nandiyan kayo. I think our live is better now. Technical issues lang po. Naglalag, boss. Yes, as much as possible, boss. Gusto naming maihatid yung quality ng live para sa inyo. So we're going back. One trading has the handles. Kicks it out for 3. Ito na naman. Wala, rebound. Brian Gamboa, skying high for the ball. Franco with the ball. Ito na naman si RJ Salonga. RJ, binigay. Balik kay RJ. RJ gives it up to Brian. Brian na naman. Brian, Mr. Quality himself. Wala nga lang. Short on that try. Got 3. Ganda ng bigay. Coast to coast. Katakutan. For 2. Jazz Casitas, pa-shout out po. Support Flashback Loading. Thank you, Idol. Share nyo lang, Idol, yung live natin. Brian Gamboa powers it up on the board for 2. 2021. Lamang ng third gen ng isa. Katakutan. Gives it up to Guthrie. Balik sa kanya. Balik na naman sa gitna. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to work it. We have substitutions. Dalawa papasok. Brian Gamboa ay ipapahinga muna ni Coach JR. At masyado ng sunog dito. Starting from the first quarter, ngayon lang nilabas yan. Binalik kay Katakutan. Kaso lang, panira na naipasa pa. Bad decision that time. Franco, binigay. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. They turn it over. Bola babalik. So one trading. Ganda ng pasa niyan. Kicks it out. Good three. For three. No, in and out. Rebound by Jordan. Michael Carl, may tangan ng bola. Into the leather. Ang ganda ng pasa sa ilalim to Franco. 23-20. Lamang na ng tatlo ang 30 gen. Ganda ng adjustment nila since the beginning of this game para maibalik sa kanila ang kalamangan. Calling out for his teammate. Ito na, ganda ng pasa pero may steal tayo dyan. Turn it over. Ito na, RJ Salonga. Finger rolls it in. That force one trading to push the button for the timeout. We will be back in a few.
Monday.
Lahat? Hindi ba yun? Insert.
One, two.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
4 minutes, 17 seconds. 1 by 20.
Let's back to
The
the ball
Hoop
game.
Store would like to thank Zamek Events.
Bola ng one trading ngayon. They want to stop the bleeding para sa ginagawa ng ating 30 gen. Glenn Macalinaw. Binalik na muli sa hard court ni Coach Jello. Good three. Ito na naman si Glenn, the court general para sa one trading. Ganda ng pasa. Good three sa ilalim. Buta tayo inabot. Sa kanila pa rin. But they made 2 points out of nothing. Ihatid sa inyo yan ng one trading. Di talaga sumusuko each and every possession. Number 45 nasa loob na. Meron bang steal? Wala. Number 30 sa ilalim. Naisira pala. Rebound kanino? One trading yan. Glenn Macalinaw with the board. Setting up for his team. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. But the miscommunication. Sayang, hindi nakatingin yung pinasahan doon. Nonetheless, it's a good decision. Pero bad outcome lang yan sa pagkakataon na yan. RJ Salonga in the middle. 3 on its way. Hiabot, wala. Macalinaw binigay kay Manse. To Patrick Uy. Balik na naman kay Macalinaw. To Manse. Binigay. Good 3 for 3. No. Rebound. Tappingan. Same possession tayo. 22-25. 2 minutes and 47 seconds. 2:47. Manse. Binigay. Balik kay Manse. Will try the 3. Masyadong malakas. Patrick Uy! He gets the foul! Meron pang bonus free throw sa pagkakataon na yon. Right place at the right time is Patrick Uy. Para naman dito makakuha ulit ng libreng free throw
Control.
sa gitna. Patrick Uy will try to make this an even game on the line. Yes, he does.
Hindi, yung
RJ Salonga in the middle. Teardrops. Wala. Rebound yan ng mga nakaitim. Patrick Uy! Patayan sa rebound. And we have a jump ball.
Turuan mo nung nagmanos ano pag papalit sa'yo. Mamaya? Dapat turuan na dyan.
kaya nga. Ay, si tita oh. Si tita marunong.
All 25 deadlock. Oh, loses the handle, loses the letter. A sorry turnover. Nonetheless, we are still even at 25. 1 minute and 15 later, meron tayong tatawaging guest announcer dito. Ang commissioner ng Hoop Store One Day League, Coach Dansky, will be on air later. As Brian Gamboa fires, mayroong tulak sa likod, kitang-kita. RJ Salonga, kitang-kita yan ni ref sa harapan ni ref.
First personal foul, second team foul, 30 play.
Boss, halftime. Yun, to all 25. Euro step. Binigay in the middle. Patrick, wala. Rebound. RJ Salonga tumatakbo. RJ pa rin. Setting up for his teammate is Gamboa. Top of the key. Kanya na yata to. Brian kicks it out. 3 on its way. Yabot! Bang! Yabot! 3! 10 seconds on the clock. 28-25. Meron pa kayang bawi dito. 8 seconds. Glenn. Binigay. 3 on its way. No. Rebound. I think it went in. Pag-uusapan ng mga referee natin yan. May dance. Ano kaya ang referee's decision?
We'll wait for the IRS. We're waiting for the IRS.
And it's... Referee will now report kung anong nangyari sa ating last possession. This will be big dahil mabigat to.
Partner, ang aking partner ngayon. Ano sa tingin mo?
Huwag ka muna, hindi pa kita ini-introduce. Nagsasalita ka na. So, ngayon, sa mga nag-aabang from their home para sa ating commissioner, we will have a replay, guys. Tune in lang kayo. Ngayon, before we have a replay, mukhang not counted, re-replay nila ref yun. But nonetheless, nagkaroon man tayo ng ganitong replay. Let me call po.
Yan. Ano dyan?
Okay na.
Yan. Hindi pa buzzer.
Hindi pa buzzer. 2 seconds, 1 second. Buzzer na.
Sa tingin nyo? Isa pa?
Hindi kasi. Sige, sa palo.
Sa time.
Tayo sa oras ha. Ayan ha. Ayan, 2, 1. Wala na.
So, not counted ang hatol ng ating referee. Hatid sa inyo yan, syempre, ng matindihang replay. Grabe naman yung mga replay natin dyan. Ano ba yan? Ano bang...
Meron palagi.
So, let me call on during this halftime break ang commissioner ng ating league.
Okay, after review.
The
28-25.
CEO of the Hoop Store itself, Flashback itself, Commissioner Dansky Aldoan. Coach Dansky, grabe yung ano nyo, intensity dito sa venue.
Kaya nga sobrang init ng mga labanan dito at mainit din yung panahon. Kaya nag-request na tayo ng ating electric pump para naman medyo humangin-hangin at lumamig-lamig ng konti sa ating venue. So, for today, pagpapasalamat ako unang-una sa mga sumuporta na team, sa mga coaches and managers na makikooperate sa amin sa aming kauna-unahang Hoop Store One Day League Basketball.
Commissioner, grabe yung suporta ng mga tao from Dubai to Philippines. Ang grabe, daming nanonood. Anong gusto mo masabi sa kanila before I let you go?
Yun, maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo. Keep on watching po kayo dyan kasi second game pa lang ito. Kita nyo naman, pinaganda namin yung production para mabigyan kayo ng kasiyahan at mapanood na maganda yung mga laban. Lalo na sa mga teams na sumusuporta sa kanilang mga teams na nandirito, nanonood sa live, hindi man sila nakapunta sa venue, at least may ganito kami ipapakita sa inyo na maayos at malinaw na mga pagsuporta nyo rin sa kanila.
Sabi nga nila, kapag tatak Hoop Store, tatak quality yan.
Yes, quality talaga. Kita nyo naman, sa ano pa lang, sa production pa lang talaga naman na dito pa lang medyo gaganahan na kayo sa mga pasabog at pakwela ng
Sabi
Hoopstore
nga,
Plasma.
sabi nga doon sa isang vlog nyo, ang Hoopstore ay hindi naglalabas ng hindi pagdigmaan.
Yes.
So what do you think about the quality na binibigay natin to all our players and the coaches, syempre sa managers, and lalong-lalo na sa lahat ng sponsors natin. So,
Siyempre nagpapasalamat ako sa sumuporta sa amin, sa mga supporters namin, sa mga sponsors namin na tumulong sa amin para matapos ng maayos, maggawa namin to ng maayos. Yun, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng supporters namin, sponsor na dyan na lagi nagpa-flash sa mga screen ninyo. Hindi pa naman kami natatapos, marami pang mangyayari kasi second game pa nga lang to, no?
so batiin mo na yung mga ano natin sa live bago tayo magpaalam
Shoutout
sa...
muna natin dyan yung lahat ng nanonood natin dyan na followers, 44 na nanonood sa atin ngayon. Kay medyo malabo na kasi yung mata ko eh. Kaya ano,
Arcel, si Ate Arcel
yung,
nandiyan, si Ate
pag
Arcel.
yung ate ko nandiyan dyan, nakitang-kita ko kagad dyan kasi ate ko yan eh. Pero siyempre, yung mga may teams na nakapasuporta din, paki-like na po, paki-share na lang rin po yung bawat game namin ngayon para ano masuportahan nyo, even na wala kayo dito, masuportahan nyo sila. Tapos may mga pasabog tayo, di ba? Kaya keep on watching lang kayo kasi magbibigay kami ng mga pa-premyo kahit nanonood kayo dyan. Ganyan ang Hoopstore, ganyan ang Flash.
So I think that's it. Thank you so much, Commissioner
Okay.
Danskel Doyan. And let's get back to the ball game. It's
Okay,
27.
thank you.
27-33. Lamang ng 6 ang 30 gen.
Sa akin kasi yun.
Ito. Lagi ito. Nasa harap dapat.
Meron tayong foul. Double technical yata. O tumawag na technical against Maramba. Si Maramba na naka-mismatch AR2. Ay, nako, ang ganda ng sapatos. Pwede mo nating itutok sa sapatos niya. AR2. Pwede mo natin itutok yan si Maramba. Grabe yung combination.
All the players, please go on here to your respective benches.
Meron tayong onting commotion. Shows up the day.
Pag nakabutan yung unit ka na.
So yan, we have 41 viewers sa live natin. Maraming salamat. Si Raymond Reyes hindi na nabate ni Sir Dansky. Pabati Sir Dansky sa Royal Point Team. So Royal Point Team, nanalo kanina. And napakagandang laban. And this game, syempre maganda rin. 27-30. So close. Walang gusto magpaawat. Walang gusto magpatalo. Syempre. Dahil syempre, kukunin na. Sino ba ang mag-uwi ng 10 tumataginting na libo sa kanilang mga tahanan today? Sino ba naman ang magbibigay sa inyo ng mga ganyang premyo? Ganitong quality, isa lang. The Hoopstore Basketball League. Meron lang konting pinagdidiskusyon dito ang referee. But we have to control the emotions of the players. Lalong-lalo na, mahaba pa ang laro. First game pa lang to ng kanilang ng magkabilang team. Shoutout nga pala sa tropa ko. John Mark, congrats sa school basketball. Boss Dansky, kailan mo namin maririnig ang TT34 ng Dubai Lad Saints kasama kay Tantan. No, actually, dapat kasama si Coach LA. Kaso na, Coach LA may pasok na, so hindi na umabot sa ating Monday League. Pero nanonood, Mark Jason Magpale, galing ng commentator tapos sabay tawa. Ano ba yan, Dol? Parang nang-aasar ba yan or ano? Nonetheless, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate ang pakikisama nyo sa amin. Although you are not here in the venue, pero andyan kayo sa sarili-sarili nyong bahay, conveniently watching a high quality live ng Zamic Basketball, syempre. Zamic Events ang hatid sa inyo. And the behind the scenes production. Yan. And of course, your one and only Hoopstore Basketball. Let's get back to the ball game. Macalino on the leather. Setting up for his teammate. 27-33. 6-point lead. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa screen nyo, real time yan. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo, yun din ang time dito sa aming Makalinaw. Fires a 3 ball from the middle. Bababa ang kalamangan ng tatlo. 1 trading. Tatlo na lang ang binubuno. RJ Salonga. Looking for his teammate. Sino ang kanya tatawagin dito? Calling up John Maramba. Kanya pa rin. Binigay kay Yabut. Yabut will fire. Parking lot 3. But he was short that time. .30-33. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Evangelista may tangan ng bola. Oy, a miscommunication. Sansaet, kapapasok lang. RJ, bigay kay Brian. Gamboa, sizing up his man. Nakuha ni Sansaet yan. Ganda naman ang pasa doon. Teardrop for 2 is Maramba. Giving them a 5-point lead. Shoutout 60 viewers. Sali ako, sabi ni Christian. Liga, punta ka dito, Jao. At samahan mo ako mag-commentator. You are most welcome. Dito lang sa Star International School, Altamore 4. John Mark, Lad Saints, di pa talaga afford ng home store. TL mo, boss. Pag under time ka na, wala na boses si Tantan. Napapaus na ka sa hype. Diba? Although, walang problema yan. Kahit magkasakit tayo, maputulan tayo ng daliri just to provide a quality na mapapanood ng ating mga taga-suporta. As Evangelista misses on his first free throw. Bintis yun sa pagkakataon. Evangelista will try again on his last free throw. Kaya niya kayang bawasan ng kalamangan. Gitnang-gitna na yun. 31-40, medyo may kiskisan. Hanggang dulo na ba yan? Mainit ang labanan. Talagang literal na digmaan sa gitnang silangan ng nangyayari at ang tutunghayan natin dito between 1 Trading and 30 Gen. 31-35. Grabe naman yung sapatos. Ini-highlights. AR2 mismatch. Hatid sa inyo ng Regular at the Hoop Store. Yes, sir. Kung gusto niya lang yan, meron kaming stock. Marami kaming stock yan. Message na lang kami dito sa Flashback Loading. Sansaet. Binigay kay Maramba. Maramba with the AR2. Valentine's. Yes, go. Pambato namin yan. Dahil naka-AR2 ka, meron kang close-up from the production team. Sa ilalim, ganda ng pasa. Pero wala. Kanya pa rin yun. Kicks it out, but he was fouled down. Next game natin, syempre, ang pambato ng Olongapo. Kaya tune in lang kayo. Batangapo on to the next versus Team Shooters ni Boss J. Ganda naman. Again, an alley-oop. Makalinaw to Uy. Reinforcement connection. 37-33. Apat na lang ang binubuno dito. 3 minutes and 51 to the third. Brian Gamboa may tangan. Brian sizing up his man. Behind the back pass. Sunside for Trey. In and out. Kanino yan pupunta? Makalinaw may tangan. Patrick Uy. Uy, binigay. Evangelista. Traveling violation na itawag na ref. Substitution.
Okay, we have a warning for technical on number 9 of 120 Uy. For second motion, 100.
Warning for technical tayo na ibigay kay Uy doon for second motion. Hindi natin gusto yun dahil napaka-importanting tao ni Patrick Uy sa laban na to. Sansaet sizing up. Tries the 2 pero wala. Patrick Uy pa rin may tangan. Patrick Uy picks up the ball. Binigay sa gitna. Kicks it out. Makalinaw. Binigay kay number 29. For 2. Yes. Dalawa na lang ang lamang. Ano may tatawag ni ref? Offensive foul kay Jordan. Michael Carl Jordan, offensive foul. Inaawat siya ni Uy sa pagkakataon na yon. Medyo mainit talaga ang laban. Init ng weather sa labas. Bola babalik sa one trading at naipasok na ang muli dito si Jesus. Makalinaw. Needed by his team to direct the traffic. Evangelista, kanino? Makalinaw, binigay kay Patrick Uy. Ganda ng basa sa ilalim. Pero hindi yun na convert into 2 points. 35-37, 1 minute and 52 seconds. Franco, kanina pupunta kay Maramba. John Maramba for 2 with the air to Valentines. Wala, rebound. Kanina mapupunta? De Jesus. De Jesus pa rin, lays it up. He was fouled. He was fouled by number 12, Franco. But give this guy credit sa effort niya na yun. Not all the players have the guts para lumipad sa mga ganong pagkakataon. So the referee granted him 2 free throws, which he will try to convert para naman pantayan na ang score ng 30 Gen. Unang free throw ni De Jesus. Basket yan. Ilista mo na, sabi ng mga fans ng Abu Dhabi. Second free throw. 2 for 2. Okay, balik tayo sa shutdown. Shout aray ko, sabi ni Coach LA, TT. Shout out ako par sa Mr. Partition ng Dubai, J. Mark Osoteo. J. Mark, kunin mo na yung in-order mo. Umorder yan ng sapatos si J. Mark. Di pa nakukuha. So let's get back to the game. 25 seconds. Sino ang lalamang on the third quarter at maibabaon ang kanilang kalamangan to the fourth? Serra, kapapasok lang. Binigyan na skill ni Maramba. Serra kicks it out. 13 seconds. Franco. And he was fouled by De Jesus. Penalty na tayo dyan.
Number 34, this is third personal foul. Seconds.
Second free throw, wala. Rebound na naman nila. 10 seconds to work with. Yes, for 2. Lumamang na naman ang 30 Gen. May steal pa bang magaganap? Hernandez, binigay. Serra with the steal. And that's the end of the third quarter. 30 Gen in lead by 3. Grabe naman yung end ng closing na yun. And we will back in a bit. Diyan na kayo.
Sabihin niyo ako pag free, kasi free yung free yung sure? Last quarter to it.
Fourth na. Tanghalian na to eh. Tanghalian na kayo. Kain na yung iba.
Ano?
Kain na.
Binigyan ko na si Kat ng adobo.
Sino?
Ano ka rin?
Mamaya na.
Mamaya, pagkatapos nito.
Okay, back to the opening third Gen possession. Last 10 minutes.
Boys,
Very good.
sabihin mo yung first time ng next game. First time. Hey, please. And now we're back live. Dito na naman sa Hoops or One Day League. Eto na, the deciding quarter of the game. 37-40. Lamang pa rin ang 30 Gen. Franco. Nakita si Michael Carl. Jordan, binigay. Ganda ng pasa. But Dulia was fouled. He was fouled by number 34, De Jesus.
Jesus, fourth personal foul.
It's his fourth personal foul. Medyo foul trouble na si De Jesus dito. Dulia on the free throw. First free throw is good. Second free throw, yes, it is. Shoutout muna tayo, shoutout. Blood Saints, shoutout ako par. Okay, tapos na yan. Order lang daw, di naman kukunin ha. Sander Xavier, pa-shoutout boss kay Manager Darix Donggon Pilarca. Shoutout boss Darix. Share niyo yung live natin para ma-reach nila. So, it's gonna be a good help para sa atin league and sa ating page. Maraming salamat sa lahat and ganda naman ang layup na yon. Coming from ito na, nagtatrappings na ngayon ng one trading. Nakasteal na naman ang mga nakay-team. Glenn, binigay. Ay, Pinoy step, wala. Rebound by Gonzaga. Gonzaga to RJ. Salonga, may tanga na bola. Kicks it out to Carl. Traveling violation na itawag ni coach na ref Adrian Don. Shoutout sa 56 viewers. Coach Anthony Velasco, congratulations Superstore. Ngayon pa lang, congratulations na. Grabe ka, Coach. Thank you so much, Coach. Much appreciated. Siyempre, dahil nanonood kayo ng live, yun pa lang panalo na kami. Walang prize sa makakapantay doon sa pag-support nyo na yun. Of course, and siyempre, 7 minutes and 58 remaining. Nandito na naman, tumatakbo na naman, and there's a foul. Merong foul ang one trading. 39-42. Katakutan first personal foul. Second team foul. RJ Salonga is bringing up the letter. Sitting up for his team. Thought about the three. Gamboa sa ilalim. Julia with a layup pero wala. Rebound. Evangelista tumatakbo. Si De Jesus skying high for the layup. It's 2. 41-42. 1-point lead. Isa na lang pinubuno ng one trading. Sa laban natin ito. And will there be a turnover? Sabi ni ref, hindi. Babalik daw ang bola. It will stay at the hands of the 30 gen. Approaching your skin, kita nyo naman. Coach Jello wearing flashback. Version 5. The Howleys carry. The choke 2.0.
Foul number 11. Second personal foul.
Foul by number 11. Merong foul na naitawad kay Katakutan. Pangalawang foul niya yun. Franco binigay kay Brian. Knockout play. But there's a foul by Macalinaw. Brian Gamboa. Isa sa mga matitibay pagdating sa one-day league na ganito. Kaya naman nagtiwala ng buo si Coach JR dito sa binatang ito. And away from the leather, merong kiskisang nagaganap between Hernandez and Gonzaga. But it's part of the game. Physicalities. At understood naman nila ang assignment nila as Brian Gamboa tries his first free throw and makes it. Second free throw for Brian Gamboa. Kakayanin kaya niyang dagdagan pa ang kalamangan? Yes, he does. Kung may mga gusto kayo pa-shoutout, message nyo na kami or comment lang kayo sa live. Like and comment, share nyo na rin para makita ng mga families natin from the Philippines. Thank you so much. De Jesus. He was fouled. There is a reaching foul by number 12, Franco. Nahuli niyo ni Ref sa kanyang camera. Kitang-kita yan ang mga mata ng nagsisipagan natin mga referees. Antibay nito. Macalinaw with the ball. Setting up. They need some answers here. De Jesus binigay. Top of the key. Wala. Rebound yan ng 30 gen. RJ pushing up the leather. Gamboa one-on-one against Macalinaw. Gamboa finds his spot for two. Medyo tagilid at that time. Tapikan. Mapupunta. mabilis umagap si ref. Talagang iningatan ang ating camera. Thank you so much, ref, for the effort. Grabe yun. Gutom na yung mga referee natin. Kaya naman, we salute all the referees na nagtatrabaho dyan to provide for their families and syempre para sa kanilang passion. So let's get back to the game. Sa ilalim pupunta Brian Gamboa with the steal. Go ahead pass. Wala. Rebound by Macalinaw. Steal by Macalinaw rather. Macalinaw. Ganda na pass naman! There's a drop pass. Pero along with that pass was a foul by 30 Gen. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Bumabalik na naman. This is the first quarter story para sa One Trading. Talaga naman yung ikot ng bola nandun. Pero nawala yun in between quarters. Pero syempre, they still have the fourth quarter. 4 minutes ang natitira sa ating last and final quarter. Macalinaw, binigay kay Evangelista. Evangelista, bigay kay... Uy, eto na! De Jesus, wala pa rin! Ang ganda sana ng ikot ng bola but couldn't convert. Pero dahil dyan...
Foul number 8. Sorry, it's number 6.
Salonga, tatlo na ang foul niya doon. Evangelista on the first free throw. Yes! Sa unang free throw, 42-44.
Yeah. Dito batanggap ko, no? Batanggap ko, shooter.
Second free throw to slice up the lead to 1. 2 for 2 for Evangelista. Coach JR had enough. Isa na lang kanilang kalaman that now. That's why he tried to push the ball for his timeout. And we will be back in a few seconds.
Sige, sponsor tayo, sponsor. 1, 2, 3.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Years, 361 Degrees, Rigora, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetsky Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V.
And let's get back to the ball game. Let's get back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. (43-44). One Trading. Down by 1. Pinasok mo naman si Maramba sa loob. Penalty situation. 2 free throws will be given away to John Maramba. Grabe naman yung sapatos ni John Maramba. Rigor. AR2 mismatch. First free throw. Yes. You know. Grabe naman yung sapatos. Again, second free throw for John Maramba. Wala yan. 43-45, 2-point lead.
Paano?
Last 2 minutes. Again, with the steal. Ito na. Jordan! He misses the layup. Patrick Boy. 3 on its way. Bang! Glenn Macalinaw. Yes! Para sa 3. Grabe yun. Clutch 3. Franco gusto bumawi. Wala. Nagmamadali bigla ngayon ng 30 as RJ Salonga regains the lead for the 30 Gen. Pero si Glenn na naman. Heat check! Wala yun at that time. Pero deserve mong itira yun, Mr. Glenn Macalinaw. Brian Gamboa locating 46-47. Brian for 2. Wala. Rebound. There's a foul by Salonga. May foul tayo. What a turn of events. 46-47 na ang ating talaan. And we have a timeout. We'll be back in a few seconds.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Years, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritayavi, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
47-46, third region.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events.
We are back live. 46-47. One trading isa ang kailangan bunuin to advance. 46-47. Meron tayong 1 minute and 12 seconds pa na nalalabis ating final quarter. Glenn Macalina will try to inbound. What Coach Jello say on the huddle? Makikita natin sa possession na ito. 5 to shoot. Lazy Rap. Wala. Rebound kanino. Patrick. Uy. Wala pa rin. Brian Gamboa skying high. We have what? We have a jump ball. Naitawag ni ref Adrian. 56 seconds. Bola babalik at mananatili pala sa one trading. 1 minute left. 56 seconds left. Sino kaya ang mananalo dito sa game na ito? Go 3 with a fake. Looking forward. Ang ganda ng depensa ni RJ. RJ Salonga with the biggest steal of the game. RJ Salonga. What a play. Grabe naman yung stop na yon. What will one trading do on the next possession? Malalaman natin yan. Nakaka-excite. Grabe. Dito lang yan sa Hoop Store. So stay tuned in, guys. Dito lang kami. Opo.
I-guess mo.
Alright. We are back live after that RJ Salonga steal. Grabe naman yun. Would that seal the deal para sa 30 gen? Mukhang meron tayong malalaman dito sa possession na to. Coach Jello need an answer to his team. Sino ang bibitaw ng isa sa pinakamalaking shot on this game para kay Coach Jello? He needs somebody to stand up.
49-46, third region.
Good three will inbound the ball. Kanino niya ibibigay? 5 seconds violation na itawag ni ref! Oh my God! What a turn of events! 2 turnovers was forced by Coach JR dahil sa depensa ng 30 gen. Oh my God! Sino mag-aakala after a long time out? Hindi may ipapasa ang bola na yon. Michael Carl, binigay kay Franco. Back to Jordan. Bigay kay Brian. Back to Jordan. Maganda. Maramba. And he was fouled behind. Merong foul sa likod. 2 free throws may ibibigay. Dito kay Maramba.
First personal foul penalty.
Hoy, nakafocus. Nakafocus talaga. Galing ng cameraman. Pinafocus yung AR2 natin, ha. Grabe. If you want to avail that AR2 mismatch, syempre, yours truly lang ang nagbebenta niyan. Wala kang makikita sa lahat ng mall. Only Hoop Store is the official distributor of regular shoes here in the UAE. Patrick Maramba, yes, 2 possession game para sa 30 gen, 39 seconds. They need to work on this one. Evangelista, what you will do on this point? Meron na namang steal. RJ Salonga with a big stop. RJ Salonga binigay. Jordan, ganda na pa sa Maramba. And oh my God, what a defensive stop para kay RJ. 21 seconds. Oh my God, antindi. Meron na naman bang steal, RJ with his face all over the court. Pero nakasagot dyan si Patrick Uy. 12 seconds left. Franco with the ball. And there's a foul. 10 seconds, 11 seconds remaining. Grabe ang stop na yun. 2 big steals to seal this game. RJ Salonga all over the floor. Yung inaakala mong hindi magiging at hindi mag-stand out because of the first period, now making his name clear dito sa ating liga na I am RJ Salonga, the best defensive stopper of your league. As Franco makes the first. Second free throw for Franco. 2 for 2 from the line. 11 seconds. Glenn Macalinaw kicks it out. Jesus Evangelista, 5 seconds.
4 seconds.
Ako kay RJ Salonga. Dito, dadaling dito.
Okay.
And that is it. Third generation will win 54-48. Grabe yung pinakita ng both teams. Grabe puso.
That's where vanilla number 6.
Pero syempre, isa lang ang mananaig. Isa lang ang mananalo. And that's the third generation with the best player, RJ, Mr. Stopper Salonga. At makakapanayam natin sa kanya in just a few minutes.
We have a halftime break. Ladies, please go check out. Ladies, please go check out. Coach Price. Yeah, maganda din ang partner.
And here with me, the best player of the game. Grabe yung stop. RJ Salonga. Jay, anong balita sa sa game na yon?
Sobrang pinabati ko nga pala yung mga pamilya ko dyan sa Pilipinas. Shoutout sa lahat ng kaibigan ko dyan. Yun nga, alam naman natin yung one trading sobrang lakas. Tapos may mga reinforcement pa silang galing Pinas. So yung sinabi lang ni coach namin is mag-focus tayo. Huwag niyong isipin kung sino yung mga kalaban nyo. Sipag lang. Magtiwala kayo sa mga kampi nyo. Yun nga. Then in-apply lang namin yung mga pinractice namin bago yung laro. At ayun nga, nagbunga naman. Salamat sa gabay ng Panginoon.
Ano yung feeling mo nun? Yung 2 stops na sobrang importante from 1 point lead kayo tapos nakakuha ka ng stop. Ano yung mga pumapasok sa utak mo na yun?
Basta yung pumapasok lang sa utak ko is yung tiwala ng coach na sa akin. Yung nagbigay siya yung naglabas siya ng pera para sa one day league na to. So inaccept ko lang yun para mabigyan ako ng lakas. Then yun nga, sa awa ng Panginoon, binigyan ako ng lakas, binigyan ako ng energy para ma-stop yung dalawang possession na yun, which is napaka-importante.
Yun, hindi na kita hold for the long time. Congratulations, Dol.
Thank you.
And good luck to all your games.
Thank you.
And that is your best player of the game, Mr. Defensive Stopper himself, RJ Salonga. Grabe, pinaitang puso. Sino naman mag-aakala na ang hero of this game ay yung the most defensive stopper nila. And Tubong Pampanga, RJ Salonga. Guys, just wanted to invite you all to follow our page, share nito. And we have more games to come. Matitindi pa, mas mainit laglagan in the next games. Syempre, inaasahan namin kayo to be with us along today with all your attention, syempre. We'll be back in a few.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Act, now I gotta roll with ice. No rush, go on move dumb. Pushing so I'm you dumb. Peace and love turned to peace and gloves. Now you got a deal run up. Generations caught up. Look how things will switch. People there quick. Now they wanna move at the bits. Boy wanna throw to bitch. Nah, unless you heard from me.